What's up, everybody? It is Carter here with Clean Kicks Lab, and we are going to be cleaning a pair of Travis Scott olives today. We'll be doing a side-by-side of one clean, one dirty, so yeah, let's get into it. Started by taking out the laces. We already did that off camera. Yeah, we'll just start with some suede brushes and things just to loosen up any dirt. Just getting under the lace eyelets just to make sure we're getting everything so that we can get these as clean as possible. Now I'm using this toothbrush just to get at all the leather. It's a little better to get wet and just get all like the grime out of there like that. So I use a rag and a toothbrush. Yeah, we use water on the leather and not the suede just because it can damage the suede and make the colors fade. So that's why we use like a rag. Maybe we'll get a little bit of it wet like this just so we can really scrub at the midsoles and some of the leather rather than soaking the whole shoes, because then that might get on the suede and kind of screw it up. Still have the nap of the suede where it's kind of changing color as I'm moving my finger across it. So it can damage the suede, make it start kind of falling apart and fade the color. A little bit of water is fine. Sometimes we use some, but it's not a leather shoe where we'll just dip this entire brush in the water and then just go all over the shoe. Next, I'm going to do the tongue of the shoe. As you can see, it kind of has gotten some of this red dye has bled into it. But we'll scrub there. And then we'll also use this foam to sit on this bleed to hopefully kind of loosen it up a little bit, and we'll give it another good scrub to at least make it look better. We'll just let that sit on there for a second, pull anything up that it can. Fortunately, there's some leather tears here, which we can't really do anything about. We may need to get this a little bit wet with something like the foam, just because it's better for the suede, just with whatever this is right here. And there's some kind of spotty in this side panel as well. Now that the foam's starting to fade a little bit, we're gonna go back to it and give it another scrub. We are going to get this a little bit wet, just with the foam though instead of the water, because the foam is just different than water. It doesn't have the same effect, but you still do want to be gentle with it, just because you don't want any fading like water can do to it. Then we can get a good scrub. This is just a soft bristle toothbrush. And then we're going to try and pull out any liquid that we can with this microfiber towel, just because it helps it clean it and also keeps color from fading because it's not soaking into the material. Now I'm using this pick to get anything out of the soles, anything bigger, and then we'll use this brush just to scrub at it and get any residue off. Where's the Xbox at? All right, now I'm gonna use this mink oil that's like a suede conditioner and leather conditioner. Kind of protects the suede and makes the nap better, and then kind of deepens any color. Mink oil is just a different thing. I don't know why you can use this rather than water, but I think it actually is an oil, but it is flammable, so be careful. That's what the can says. We can try. Hold on. Why? Oh, it's ready. It's flammable. Be careful. Now all the germs are off of these Travis Scott. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Little pump. Let's get it. Must be a Clean Kicks thing. All right, so this is the finished product. Looks a lot better than this side does. You can see the difference even just back here in the midsoles. And then you can see the difference in the color of the suede on the toe box. You can just tell that one of them is a lot cleaner, darker. Colors are more restored. Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate you following along with Clean Kicks. You can shop at our website at shop.cleankickslab.com. Thanks for watching. Comment for more cleaning tips.